Mercedes-Benz is opening a new chapter in its van business with the start of production of the all-new VLE in Vitoria, Spain. While many vehicle launches focus on the finished product, this story is just as much about the factory behind it. The Vitoria plant has undergone a major transformation to prepare for the future, and the first vehicle to emerge from this next-generation facility is the new electric VLE. The launch represents more than another addition to the Mercedes-Benz lineup. It marks the beginning of a completely new vehicle family built on a fresh platform that will shape the future of the company's passenger and commercial vans. For Mercedes-Benz, the VLE is not simply a new model. It is the first step into what the company describes as a new era of spacious luxury transportation. The VLE was designed to combine characteristics that traditionally belong to different vehicle categories. It aims to deliver the comfort and refinement of a luxury sedan while maintaining the practicality and flexibility expected from a multi-purpose vehicle. That combination allows the VLE to serve a wide range of customers, from large families and business travelers to premium shuttle operators and executive transportation services. One of the most important aspects of the VLE is the new vehicle architecture beneath the body. Mercedes-Benz developed a modular platform that can support different vehicle sizes, configurations, and powertrain options. This flexible approach gives the manufacturer the ability to expand its future van lineup more efficiently while maintaining common engineering foundations across multiple models. The VLE also demonstrates how quickly vehicle development is evolving. Digital engineering tools played a significant role in bringing the vehicle from concept to production. Advanced virtual development methods allowed engineers to test systems, optimize components, and accelerate the development timeline while maintaining the quality standards expected from the Mercedes-Benz brand. Technology is another area where the VLE hopes to stand out. The vehicle incorporates the latest generation of the Mercedes-Benz operating system, creating a more connected experience for drivers and passengers. The software platform controls everything from infotainment and navigation to vehicle functions and driver assistance systems. As software becomes increasingly important in modern vehicles, Mercedes-Benz is positioning the VLE as a showcase for its future digital ecosystem. The electric powertrain is equally significant. The VLE utilizes an 800-volt electrical architecture designed to improve charging performance and efficiency. Faster charging times help reduce downtime during long trips, while improved energy management contributes to a driving range exceeding 700 kilometers under the worldwide harmonized light vehicles test procedure standard. For customers who regularly travel long distances, that capability addresses one of the most common concerns surrounding electric vehicles. Behind the scenes, the transformation of the Vitoria facility has been extensive. Mercedes-Benz invested heavily in new manufacturing technologies, upgraded assembly operations, advanced logistics systems, and modern digital infrastructure. The challenge was even greater because production of existing vehicles continued throughout much of the renovation process. Models such as the V-Class, Vito, and Evito remained in production while the facility prepared for the future. The workforce played a critical role in making that transition successful. Approximately 5,000 employees participated in the plant's evolution, adapting to new technologies, manufacturing methods, and production standards. More than 160 training programs helped workers develop the skills necessary to support the launch of the VLE and future products based on the new architecture. Sustainability was also a key priority throughout the project. The Vitoria plant already operates with a carbon-neutral balance through a combination of renewable electricity, geothermal energy, waste heat recovery systems, and environmental initiatives. New facilities at the site were designed according to strict sustainability standards, while solar energy installations help contribute to the plant's electricity needs. Additional improvements are still on the way. A new electrically powered paint facility is scheduled to begin operations later in 2026. Unlike traditional paint operations that often rely on fossil fuels, the new system is designed to operate using renewable electricity. The goal is to further reduce emissions while improving efficiency and production flexibility. The importance of the Vitoria plant extends beyond Spain. Mercedes-Benz views the facility as a cornerstone of its global van manufacturing strategy. As additional models based on the new architecture enter production, Vitoria will continue to play a central role in supplying vehicles to international markets. For consumers, the VLE offers a glimpse into where Mercedes-Benz believes premium mobility is heading. Spacious interiors, advanced software, long electric driving range, fast charging capabilities, and luxury-focused design are all coming together in a package that blurs the lines between traditional vehicle segments. The start of production is therefore much more than a factory milestone. It represents years of planning, investment, and engineering effort aimed at redefining what a modern luxury van can be. As the first VLE vehicles leave the production line in Spain, Mercedes-Benz is not only launching a new model, but also laying the foundation for the next generation of its global van business.